Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. So happy you're here, and I hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. Today we're going to get into a Fab Fit Fun because the spring box is here. Love this lifestyle subscription. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt's the white fuzzy head you're seeing here. Zena's the tan. And like I said, be sure I hope you stick around for the long haul, and we're so happy you're here. So Fab Fit Fun is a lifestyle subscription. They do a seasonal box. That means it comes every 3 months. And they have a lot of options. So you fill out a profile and then they offer up options, but you get to make a lot of choices yourself. So you'll be presented with like 5 or 6 different options. They'll tell you your window is open for you to make your selections, and you can choose between 5 different customizations or so. And you can even add on. So let's just say you really want 2 of the options within a certain selection area. You can always add in extra options. There's just an extra price, and they are discounted. So it might be $15 more or $10 more, but you can do that and add extra pieces. You can also shop FabFitFun and add add-ons at the end if you want. It does cost $59.99 a season, and typically you get $300 or more worth of items depending on which selections you pick, and you get 6 to 8 full-size products. And let's see, if you use my link, which I'll put down below, you'll get $10 towards your first box. So let's dig right in. And the products do come from both premium and emerging brands, and a lot of female-owned brands. All right, let's do this. So happy the spring box is here. I'm a spring summer girl, so I love it. And let's see, here's what I see when I open it. All kinds of goodies. And we're just going to dig right in because most of these are all my selections. And I don't think I did any add-ons this time. So the total value of my box, which it does tell me, I could look it up online, went into my account, and you'll see that all of my products are listed here, and it actually says the total value of my box is $227 based on the selections that I chose. All right, first up, we have, I'm going to try to go in order of what I'm seeing. Osea. What's up, Z? I think Zena wants to make a break for it, don't you? Don't you? Huh. Which is fair. She can do that if she wants. So this is, hopefully I'm saying it right, Osea Malibu Ocean Cleanser, valued at $48. And it says this is great for normal, combination skin, and sensitive skin. And it says, legend says if you listen hard enough, you'll hear ocean waves. Okay, maybe that's just in our head. But what isn't, an old wives' tale is how well this cleanser works. The seaweed-infused gel cleanser removes surface impurities and excess oils while gently exfoliating and unclogging your pores, revealing bright, radiant skin. This is a full size. It's 5 ounces. Obviously, I picked it. I love a great cleanser, so I wanted to try this. I haven't tried this one yet. Zena, does it smell good to you? So that is my first item. Does that smell good to you? Zena, her sniffer works better than anything else right now, doesn't it? Huh. Next up, I have this awesome PJ Salvage bath wrap. This is valued at $42, and I love these. I don't know about you, but this is what I put on when I am fresh out of the shower and putting my makeup on and getting ready. This is my favorite thing. It says that the towel upgrade you didn't know you needed. This bath wrap makes getting ready or sitting in your bed scrolling on your phone so much easier. The elastic top and Velcro enclosure keep the towel in place so your hands are free to do your skincare, hair care, makeup. Plus it comes with a positive affirmation attached inside that serves as a daily reminder to wrap yourself in love. I love that. So let's open this up because I want to show you. I think this is just the best. And I'm always looking for these, and they're hard to find. But see how you just wrap yourself up, and it's Velcro, holds you in place. So you put it like right here, and then you get ready. It's like wearing your towel, but you don't have to hold it in place. And then they talked about the affirmations. So see how cute inside. is the words "Wrap yourself in love." Can you see that? There we go. That's so adorable. I love this. It's polyester rayon, elastane, peachy jersey, and it's machine wash cold. So I'm excited about that. I'll be wearing it. You're being so disruptive today, little one. Next up, First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So these are valued at $38. Exfoliate the day away with these gently sustainable and composite face pads, perfect for anyone with sensitive skin. Regular use reveals a glowing complexion, helping to improve the look of pores, smooth skin's texture, and prep your face for flawless makeup application. So this is how Xena pressures me into giving her treats when she doesn't need treats. And look, here's Wyatt now too. Like, she doesn't need treats. She had treats like before we came in here. She had treats when we came in here. Like, this girl, she doesn't need a treat. But that's all right. We'll give her a treat. Next up, we have Earth Arbor Aqua R Reparative Eye Cream. This is valued at $34. It's cruelty-free, vegan, female-founded company. This eye cream is inspired by the blue-green crystal, known for strength and healing, seaweed collagen, powerful blue tansy, and antioxidants work together in this magic formula designed to brighten, hydrate, and awaken the eye area, leaving behind firmer skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, puffiness, and sun damage. Okay. Always an area I'm looking to work on. Then we have Coors. This is the Coors Pure Greek Olive. This is the Pure Greek Olive Shower Gel and Olive Blossom. It's valued at $19. It says, we'll be emerging from this cold weather with perfectly hydrated skin for spring thanks to this body wash. Olive leaf extracts, locks in hydration and nourishing vitamins, so we are saying bye to dry. It is female founded. The scent notes are bergamot and clementine, pomegranate, mid-olive blossom, freesia, pine pony. The base is white musk, blonde woods, tonka beans. So I can't wait to try this. It looks interesting, right? This is 8.45 full ounces. All right, and then we have it's a set. My last item is a set valued at $46, and it's by the new company, Super Thick Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. And it says that the shampoo and conditioner duo is a powerhouse combo that rebalances the scalp's microbiome, reduces breakage, and promotes hair growth and density. The duo features ingredients like apple cider vinegar to balance pH levels while adding shine, red algae to hydrate, vitamin B5 to strengthen, and oat oil extract to moisturize for healthier, happier locks. So this is 8.45 full ounces each. It's organic, cruelty-free, artificial fragrance-free, paraben-free, 100% vegan, and it is a female-founded company. And that is all my items this time around. I didn't go for any extras, as I mentioned. I didn't add anything. So I think this overall was a great collection. I'm excited to try these. I tend to go heavy on the beauty products because I feel like they're deeply discounted in this box. So that's what I tend to go for. And I get excited to try some of the newer products as well. So excited about the shampoo and conditioner. That is awesome. I love my bath towels since I wear these all the time anyway, and then they get old and ratty and I want to throw them out and it's hard to find new ones. Love me the radiance pads. So to get prepped for getting your makeup on. Love a good body wash, so I want to try this one. And then we have the eye cream and the moisturizing cleanser, which I always need. All right, I will put all the information for Fab Fit Fun down below in case you would like to give this box a try. I think it's fabulous. $59.99 a season, and you usually get up to that $300 value. Mine this time was $227, so I still think it was a pretty good deal. And if you use my link, which I'll put down below, you'll get $10 off that first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know what you thought of this box. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.